Hello guys, we're gonna start in 5 minutes. Sorry for delay. We are on the Palm now. Now it's a lot of traffic jams, so people now are coming. So please 5 minutes, and I hope you will never regret that you just stayed with us for the next 1 hour. Okay, just a few minutes more. Thank you. Thank you for your attention and waiting. Hello, everyone. Um, could you please? We need to ask people to come here. Okay. Or we can start and they will see it in online. Can you hear me now? It's okay? Do you hear me? You? Good. First of all, thank you that you are offline. Thank you who is online. I understand how the journey to Palm was difficult today. So I understand that you hope that the event is going to be on the beginning of the Palm, but it took like 30-40 minutes to get here. So you're my personal heroes. So, but I hope that the following and all information that you will see and listen today is going to be very valuable for you, whatever you do, investor, realtor, developer company, etc. Today I'm going to present a lot of new products. Probably you haven't seen this product nowhere in the world, and I'm going to do it in real time, showing how it works and how you can get it today and use it. So before all, let's see again 1-minute video about demo day of Realiste. Today I'm going to present what we have done just in 1 year that we have been working in Dubai. And now we have started working globally. Let's go. Okay, here we go. This was a beautiful piece of content. We just understood for the last year we have made 1,000 pieces of content, videos, streams, online, offline meetings, and more. So today I'm going to speak about what we do and how you can profit from this, okay? So my name is Alex, I'm founder of Realiste, and we have been doing the first real estate exchange in the world. It means that you already now can buy real estate online in UAE, already in Bali, Riyadh, okay, Riyadh soon, North Cyprus, and very soon in 30-40 cities globally just this year. First of all, I would like you to see that Realiste now is collecting information and presenting it in 114 cities, and it's going to be approximately 300 cities at the end of 2024. It means that right now you can compare all cities, all neighborhoods, and just understand the information where you should buy real estate, probably what city you should live, and much more. So I prepared this slide just to take your attention from the minute one. And I would like you to highlight that anybody lives in London? No? Good. Yeah, I see. Thanks. So probably you didn't know that in London, the most affordable location is Barking and Dagenham, if I'm pronouncing it right. So the average price for a square meter is $6.2 thousand. The most affordable location in London. And here you could see that Dubai Hills, one of the best locations in Dubai, with a huge park, with business class buildings, pools, gyms in the buildings, the same price. What I would like you to share that now you're able to use all products of Realist and all features just to identify what literally is the best city in the world to live or invest. So for now here, you're able to see information in 114 cities, like what is the most expensive city in the world? It's Monaco. Hong Kong, number 2, Geneva, Singapore, Tel Aviv, number 5. London is number 8. Munich, the same price as London. Now you're able to go directly to a specific city and see the rating of this city between 100 cities. Like what is the population, inflation, crime rating, income tax, low, high, cost of rent, everything that could be related for macroeconomic data and your personal decision for investment or just relocating to a specific city. You're able to click and see all locations in any city in the world, just split it by price, by medium average amount of sales, etc. Also, you're able to see like what is the average, for example, unit size for specific neighborhood in each city in the world. So, for example, here you have just a big apartments, and here is just kind of, we could say like, not a ghetto because it's city of London, so it's like a center, but the apartments are much smaller than others. So now all this data is available publicly on this map between all the cities, and it's going to be more. You can choose any layer of data and just see the rating of any city. All questions later, please. Yeah, thanks. And see all the layers between the city. So I just highlight that people who live in Barking and Dagenham, so they literally can sell their apartment or the house. And let's see what is the quality of apartments and house there. Let's see Barking. Okay. Let's zoom in. So it's quite affordable apartments, right? Or quite affordable townhouses. What you can get in Dubai for this? Let's go back and zoom into Dubai. So you see the difference, but the price is totally the same. It means that almost 300 million people across the globe could move to much better places, but they just pum pum, pum pum. It's done. You have another one? Do you like this data? Good. I done it to catch your attention from the minute 1. A little bit? Sorry, I don't hear. Yeah, we can have a talk afterwards. Yeah. Because a lot of people now online, and they just don't hear your question. Yeah, so we need to wait a little bit just to change mark. So just to take this free time. Good? Do you hear me if I talk, if I speak right like this? Good, good. Because people online, they see me and hear me. So let's go to the next thing. I was speaking about that 300 million people could change the allocation of living and the investment like criteria to different cities across the world. And this is a huge amount of people. Just believe me, if all people across the UK just could know that they can sell their apartment or a townhouse and buy 2 or even 3 the same quality in Dubai, and they can live in one apartment and rent out 2 of them and just do not work the rest of their life, if they just get this opportunity and understand, tons of people, like a lot of people, will move to different cities across the globe. Why they don't do it? The answer is they just don't know about this opportunity, because if you want to understand some city and some market in this city, you should spend months of your time just to analyze the data, clicking the listings, and all around it. Today I'm going to present you more products and personal products that people will use globally very soon, like in 2-3 years it's going to be public. A lot of people will know about it. Now we're just on the day 1. Do you know about ChatGPT, right? Yeah, sure. So you probably know that ChatGPT took the world in 3 months, right? It was like a storm. But probably you didn't know that before ChatGPT was ChatGPT version 2 and version 1. So I was a guy who played with version 2 like a few years ago before this. And approximately 10,000, maybe 20,000 testers, 20,000 users use it before. Do you know what is the audience of ChatGPT now, approximately? Approximately already 500 million soon. So what we're doing now in real estate AI in Dubai and globally, it's just a ChatGPT version 2 for now. And thank you that you are here and you're on the beginning of this big thing on real estate. And later, I'm going to present you in real time what products we're already launching and what products you can use right now for your personal investment, for living, and more, and for realtors and for investors. Do you want to bring me a mic? No, I'm good. Yeah. Without the mic, better, right? Last mic. better for you, but what do you think? Good? Sorry, guys, it's just technical problem. Let's go to the next slide. On this slide, you probably can understand that the Dubai market in 2023 in residential real estate grew 45.89% in 1 year, 2023 versus 2022. But it's nothing special, right? What is special? This is our prediction article in a local newspaper dated by 31 December 2022. Okay, like a reserve rent. Our machine AI predicted that the Dubai market in 2023 in residential will grow 46%. So accuracy rate 99.9%. It was prediction and what's happened. Today I'm going to explain you how it works and what is special about it and what is AI. Okay? So I made this slide just to take your attention again. Today I'm going to do live demo, live presentations, how to use AI, what investors can get, what realtors and agents can get, and what is AI. So you probably would like to ask me, what is AI, why it's not statistics, and etc., right? So I see your question. So a lot of people ask me about it. And it's going to be closed session that only for offline audience. So for online audience, you just can't get it, sorry. because I just can't tell about something just publicly in a very big audience. Let's go. I would like to take a few minutes just to highlight you something, about AI. So here you see three graphs. Penetration of internet, it started in 1990, and the penetration now is approximately 95% all over the world. So 5% of population they just don't have access to the internet. After this, it was a wave of smartphones, and from 2005 till now, almost 100%. So even people have smartphones, but they don't have internet connection. That could be. Now, do you see it? Now the AI wave is coming, and this AI wave is riding on top of two of these waves. And for now, penetration rate is approximately already 15%. And it happened in less than 2 years, 2 or 3 years. It means that AI wave is going to be on penetration 90% in the next 3-4 years. It means that in 3-4 years, all your relatives, even grandmothers, they're all going to use AI in different tasks, in different jobs, applications, going to be everywhere. So that's how AI wave is disrupting everything. I'd like you to show you another slide. So it's AI in chess, and AI in chess started in 1990. And you probably know that Garry Kasparov, it's a Russian chess grossmaster, trying to beat the AI. And it was a time the grossmasters were better than AI. After this, it was a combination like grossmaster with AI, better than just AI. But from 2005, nobody can beat AI in chess. Only AI plays with AIs. It took like 10 years, combination people and AI better than AI. But after it disappeared, just chess is just the game with some rules. It's not so complicated as real estate, of course, but it's literally already happened. But we all missed it, right? So everyone remembers that it happened, but. So I would like you to take 30 seconds. What is AI now? Because people now just guessing what's AI, what is ML, what is deep learning. So deep learning, LLM system like ChatGPT is a part of AI. AI is just a combination of any type of algorithm that could do two things. First thing, bless you. First thing, AI could do work of a human on a level of a human or better in non-algorithmic things, like calculator is better than human, right? But it's just limited thing. AI could do better than a human, like estimation of apartment or writing the text. If you have this kind of software, you literally are making it using AI, because the different methods, they just don't work. So, but AI, once you have a machine and the model that could be better or the same as human, this model could be splitted by millions of models, or it could be 1 million times faster than a human. That's why AI now is so important for each of us. And the second thing, what AI could do, it's just could give you some insights or maybe information, some data that you couldn't get from your brain because you don't have access to so much data. You're just missing it because the human brains is limited. And once AI is better than a human, and AI gets the data from many more sources and data points, and it's faster, it means that AI will win anyway, even in any profession. Maybe except haircuts, maybe, but it's not for sure. So today, I would like you to present AI like products. This is one product with a lot of features for primary market, secondary market, portfolio tracker, estimation, and my favorite trade-up. And I'm going to show a little bit more than this. So let's start with the product of primary real estate market. You probably already are familiar with what we have done, right? Have you seen our platform like on Zero? Okay, just a few. 1, 2, 3. Few people. Wow. Thanks. Okay. It could be longer than I expected, but let's try. So let's go and test it all, okay, right now. So you already have seen how it works on the city level, right? So, and using AI, it's now opportunity to collect this data. What do you think why no company in the world has done it before, just collecting all information from different cities? Because it was so expensive to collect information and listings and data and real estate from each city separately. That's why you know about companies in UK, in US, in Russia, and different cities and countries. Just one company for one city, one country. Because it was so complicated and so expensive. But now the time changed. Now it's possible to make a global search in the whole markets. And let's go to Dubai. So in Dubai, now you have all locations in Dubai with all pricing and data. And this is not AI, okay? It just, for now, it's statistic. I'm going to show you what is AI and why it's so special and why you should use it. So, but for now, you're able to ask the system, like, show me the most greeny location in the whole Dubai, and AI are going to highlight you what percentage of greenery in each location, and what is the top 10, top 3, and what is the most green location in Dubai. You're able to ask, you're able to ask the system, okay, so if I'm an investor, what I should pick to buy something and rent it out. So you just ask AI, what are the best locations to buy something and rent it out? And now it starts where AI appears. What AI makes here, AI estimates all apartments on the market now and all rents and contracts signed in rent, and try to estimate what is the service charge for each building. If it's data available, okay. If you can take this data, AI synthesizes this data. And what you see now, these numbers are clear numbers, net, after service charge, average. You're able to ask, show me just for 2-bedroom apartments by whole city. And AI will show you all neighborhoods just for 2-bedroom apartments, net rent right now. And it changes it every day. So new inventory is coming, new sellers, new buyers, everything calculating daily and just highlighting you the final result. Also, you're able to ask the system, not AI, but the system, what neighborhoods grew in price in Dubai for the last 36 months in average. We should add for 1-bedroom, for 2-bedroom, it's going to be soon. This is Dubai with percentage of growing for specific neighborhoods for the 3 years. You could ask for 12 months, for 1 month, for 2 months, etc. It's not AI, it's just DLD, okay? What DLD showed and what now. But what's interesting, you could ask AI. And now it's going to be AI. What is the forecast? What neighborhoods could be better for investment? What neighborhoods have better potential for investment? And just to highlight this, AI makes a lot of work under the hood, like demand, supply, new building are coming, new plots, what is the development level, everything possible to take right now for accounting just goes here in a simple way. And you're able to just click some neighborhood. Let's switch to fits. I think it's better. You're able to see all ratings about neighborhoods and what is this specific neighborhood between all neighborhoods in the whole Dubai. My friend, it's recording, so you can download it. No worries. You're gonna not miss anything. It's in YouTube. You can just click and download it. And what is the specific forecast for specific neighborhood? Historical price, potential future price, and we just marked what is AI and what is just statistics or just DLD data, etc. Just to highlight to you what AI makes for you special. And it takes into account for now, even the current infrastructure. Do you see? I just try to highlight to you the green zones. The percentage of green zones and first line of building with the parks, exits, etc. And what is going to be in the future. So here, in this neighborhood, is going to be the future lagoon. And AI eats this information also. So it's going to be like this. But it's going to be in the future, in 1 year or 2 years. And AI just eats also information from local sources, press releases, and more. I'm going to present it a little bit further. It was about neighborhoods. So here you're able to have a lot of layers of data that were covered for the last years, and nobody knew all this information because it was not public, and for some layers it was impossible to get this information. So this information synthesized by AI. But now it's much better to understand Dubai. Even if you don't know anything about Dubai, you're in UK and you would like to buy something in Dubai, now you don't need anyone just to get all information about the city, and you're going to spend half an hour, not months. This is a key advantage what AI gives to you. Let's go to the next layer, projects. So we just digitalized 99.9 or maybe 100% of all projects from all developers in UAE now, not just Dubai. And what AI makes special, AI just highlights you what literally projects much better for investment and what is the potential ROI for each projects. Why is it different between a real estate marketplace? In real estate marketplace, you go and you click a lot of pages just to find something good, right? And you can find a lot of fakes, fake advertising, etc. But to get the most important thing for you, like in what projects I should invest, what developer I should pick, like Emaar, Damak, Shoba, it takes months. Or you use Realtor. And Realtor, in most cases, just has not obvious opinion, and just it's subjective. And if you ask like 10 realtors what I should buy, you're going to get different opinions. Or you should ask like a realtor in London, and this realtor are going to say you that London is the best city in the world to invest. That's probably not for sure for now. And this is why AI, it's just objective thing. You can't just play with this. It just makes objective rating. And once you use AI system, now you're able to go in specific project, pick the specific project. So AI thinks that this is a 33% ROI for 3 years, so it's quite good. It's on top 5% of all the market, this project. Now we have done that. Now it's available to see the floor plans just directly on the map and see the free apartments available directly to buy from developer. So for now, we digitalized and accepting like almost 1,000 Excel file, PDF file. You know what developers do usually, right? So they just producing Excel file, PDF file, and floor plan, and this floor plan shows that the apartment like with a view on west. Where is west? And a lot of questions. Now it's all on the map, and you see what is going to be the view, what is the free apartment now, and what is the price and everything. And this is directly from developers, all developers in Dubai, coming daily to this platform. You can go to the project and see some specific things. First, this is where AI helps you. It makes the ratings for cities, neighborhoods, projects, even apartments. And it highlights you, is it a good potential across all projects, or just medium or just low potential? And it's based on different ratings, like what is the price affordability, for example. It takes this data and explains you, is it affordable or not between all projects in Dubai. Also, you can go and see payment plan is okay, nothing special. Infrastructure, it highlights you all water. And what is the walking distance to water? What is the riding distance to water? So everything now in cross of infrastructure calculates inside this thing. And future infrastructure that I showed you already, it explains is it a good price or not, like the system, not AI, just makes comparable analysis just for easy understanding. And this is something special. AI makes the forecasting not just for neighborhoods or even cities, but for specific projects and specific apartments. For now, AI model thinks, do you remember 46% grow? AI model thinks that 2028 is going to be the end of the market. It could be true, could be not, we don't know now, but you can't predict the future. It just works like this. But till 2026, 2027, just relax, invest in Dubai. It's going to be okay. Yeah, you're safe. You're safe. But in 2027, my recommendation is just to go to Abu Dhabi, see something else, maybe Saudi. Yeah. So AI model, just a small disclaimer, AI model can predict the future like wars, epidemics, something like this. But AI models just show us what's on current information on the market. What is the potential? Anyway, if it's going to be the war, you already pick the best possible. So the war could impact all market, right? So it's impossible to predict. But once something happened bad or good on a layer of city, economy, neighborhood, AI just takes into account from the day one and just change the forecasting. So it's so fast. In real market, you know, in real estate, there is a gap between what's happened like 2008. Let's take 2008. The crash happened. The real estate market was falling down 7 months. 7. So there is a gap between something happened and the prices drop down. So for AI, it's much faster. AI could predict what is going to be. It's not 100% accurate, but it highlights you the trends. Let's go next. How it works and what data we use. So first of all, you need to know that DLD, everything inside already, with updating every hour. We have more. We are tracking all, you see Realiste deals, right? Good. We are tracking what's happening with developers across all UAE because we are receiving updating information of what they have in the market, their stocks, what they sold last week, yesterday, etc. Our model just is taking every day these data sources and see what's happened with a different duration of time. So you probably know that if you go and buy something from a developer right now, this transaction is a booking transaction going to be in DLD with a gap. You probably didn't know, right? So the gap is approximately 3 months average from all developers. Some developers register it in 1 month, some 3, some a year. So probably some developers just, you buy something, you paid booking for, but you're going to see your registration after a year. So now we track it. So literally what AI could make, AI now can predict the DLD graph 3 months before, then it's public. And this is an advantage of making decisions before everyone just sees what's happened.
Can you repeat that again? 3 months, how does it work?
It works simple. Developers selling something, right? They just give to the market inventory, like they give Excel files, PDF files, etc. So now we use it just to eat everything from the whole market and just track what's happening with the sales. Some clever developers, they just split the inventory between a lot of different Excel files. So, but it doesn't work for now. AI recognizes it and just combine it all and use this analysis to predict. Got it? Let's go next. Think about rent is here for 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, average transactions, new contracts, renew contracts, DLD, everything here. We also launched months ago, just in beta test, recommendations about the strategies for investors across all projects. With strategies hold and sell, buy and rent it out, sell before the handover, and AI just estimates what is going to be ROI for specific strategy, and it takes into account the payment plan, the forecasting, the rent, and what's going to be the future rent. So it's all in one with a strategy, what investors should pick. In difference, there are like 3 common strategies: buy, resell before the handover, buy, keep, resell, and buy, rent, sell. Most of the strategies like this. Maybe buy, rehab, and sell. It's going to be in the future a little bit. Also, we are tracking now developers. Do they deliver on time? So the Mac is easy. Unfortunately, they don't deliver on time. So they passed. Shoba good, Ellington, Emar, pretty good. And you're able to go directly into units for now. On specific projects, these are 3 units. It also could be a resale, so we are adding resale units now, more and more. So we have now database 99%, approximately 95%, I hope. Primary market, secondary market from developers, banks, etc. So entities. And also we are adding now resale here. The next step is going to be the secondary market, and a lot of things I will present it a little bit further. So for now, it's a graph for specific apartment. What is going to be in the future and what events will impact the specific building and specific neighborhoods. Like I showed you the launchings of the lagoon in the future, right? So it's right here, Q1 2025. This is a source where we got it. And this is on a graph, when it's going to be and how it's going to impact the price. It's going to be up, or this is a bad event, is going to be down. So news, press releases, now downloading to the system and just present it. And just for a second, it's all for free. You can use it right now. So no payment, no subscription, nothing. Just take it. That's for free. Also, for now, this platform provides 1% discount if you buy online from official pricing, because if you buy online, we don't have agents here, and literally if you understood everything by your own, you can use it and you can get the 1% discount from Realiste already right now. It's 1% now, but we are going to do it minus 4% in time. This is a way. I'm going to tell about it a little bit further. So this is a platform just in a few minutes, how it works. For now it works not in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah, Bali, North Cyprus, even Riyadh. We have someone from Saudi here. I saw the gentleman from Saudi.
My partner is actually...
Got it. Got it. So Riyadh now is available. You can buy through the system. It's not so advanced for now, but the system educates, and for now it's going to be better and better and better. And this is just one feature I showed you what we have done for the last year. I would like you to show how the system looked like 9 months ago. This is how the system looked like 9 months ago. All the projects, click the neighborhood, just statistics. You click some specific building. It's downloading. Maybe. Freezed. Let's pick another one. Yeah, done. That's all what we had 9 months ago. And it was just in Dubai. For now, 100 plus cities available for all statistical analytics, not AI predictions, but it's going to be soon, and much more. So, first feature of super app with AI inside. Let's go. So, what product solved the problem? First page. Do you know about the joke that if you want to hide the dead man or dead body, you should hide on the second page of Google because nobody comes, right? The same thing. So algorithm works like Google, but not for search information, but for real estate. On the first page right now, you can use your search, and it's going to be the rating specially for you. Let me do it again, and I'm going to present you one interesting feature. So it's a little bit complicated, right? So a lot of data, a lot of layers, etc. But you're able to use this thing. You see it? Just some sphere, like circle. You pick, what do you want for investment, or for myself? Okay, for investment. What is the strategy you would like to see? Pre-launch properties, rents, almost done. Okay, let's take rent. And AI calculates you for the rent right now. What is the best ROI? What is the less ROI? What is your budget? AI highlights what is the amount of users. See this the same budget. Click Show Me Offers. Done. This is a rating especially for you, from the top one to the lowest one, ROI. So you can get 6% ROI in the Harbor Gate. Easy, right? First page problem. You don't need to go to the website and clicking and calling agents and calling fake advertising. Nothing. It's all here for 1 second. This is a first page problem solved. So already it's cheaper. It's going to be much, much cheaper very soon. And for offline audience, I'm going to explain how it's going to be 4% cheaper. I couldn't tell it online. It's going to be in a closed session. And what about agents? First of all, for agents, we started a special program. All agents across the globe can use all the software and infrastructure of Realiste across all cities for free. People don't need to pay anything for this. No subscription, no closed data, everything for free. Even if you're a realtor in Germany, you for now can use this system just to highlight your clients what is the good and bad in Dubai and close these transactions through our infrastructure. You don't need local agency, you don't need local partners. If you would like to close or sell in Bali, North Cyprus, different cities, you can. You don't need anything. It's already here. And we, for now, give a commission split. 91% goes to agent, 9% we keep. This is one of our business model, how we pay for development. And for now, we started it 5 months ago. For now, 120 transactions already made, and we pay every case. We paid every case, and we pay on time every case. And for agents, we also create a program, 91 split 9. If you would like to wait, developers, probably agents know that if you sell something, you could be paid after 3-4 months from developers, so there is a delay. So we offer 80-20 and payment next day after the transaction closed. After your client sent 24%, next day 80% goes to you. You don't need to wait anything. We use our own resources just to factoring these things. It's working, right? So agents, if you see me, use it. Let's go to one of my favorite features of the product, that what we have developed for the last year. It's portfolio tracker. Portfolio tracker means that, yeah, much better. Portfolio tracker means that now you can add your apartment where you live, now in 4 cities, but soon it's going to be in 30 cities, and get instant estimation of your apartment. What is the real market price now? Liquid market price, because there is a different price for different selling time. What is the rent? What is the ROI? And from this day one, this AI tracks this apartment daily and highlights you what is the real market price for your assets in your portfolio. Frankly speaking, it's not my portfolio, okay? So I just added something. I don't own any real estate. So, but for the presentation, it's okay. I own railways, so it's better, I think, than to have an apartment. And it's split by cities, so I just highlight Moscow and Dubai because development team Russians, so they would like to test in Moscow first of all. What is the flat split? What is the total balance? So, and you see this spike, it's just I added new apartment, it's not a growth of apartments, okay? So you add new and portfolio grew up. And so I estimated this apartment 6 months ago, and this is just valuation every day. Sometimes, for some specific real estate, you could get much higher price if you don't have competitors like your neighborhoods who sell the same. So in a short period of time, we identified that it's possible to sell apartment below, on top of market price, up to 20%. So it highlights you what is the moment is a good moment to sell. And it's going to be a recommendation from AI. Should you hold this apartment or should you sell it because the market is going down soon? So this is a kind of recommendation what you should do. It's up to you what you're going to do, but now you have all information to make your own decisions. And it works very simple, I think. So you see this portfolio, right? So this is a changing of the like current situation. It looks like stocks, right? It works similar, but there is an estimation engine inside. Let me show you how it works. And at the end of this presentation, you're going to get the link for this. Now it's not public, but it is closed better, but I'm going to provide the link and you can use it already today. So let's go and estimate one apartment. I would like to pick my apartment, so I use it as an example. Or I use it in a Russian track. Let's change. Maurice, do you want to show where you live? Okay, no. Yeah, let me pick something else. Let's pick Park Towers in the IFC. Yeah, I hope by the Mac. Yeah, it's here because we have an office here near this tower in the IFC. So we rented this apartment. So let's go. The square feet, I don't remember right. Exactly, but let's see, 1,200 square feet, 2-bedroom, building year. Sometimes we have it, sometimes we don't. Okay, let's see, 2018, I think. Flat counts of baths and the quality of apartment. It's easy now. You don't need to analyze. You see the picture and see something like it, something like this. So it's something like this, I think. Let's try. And this moment, I'm very nervous because sometimes it doesn't work. And once it's on public, so my developer team just say me, never do real time. So record it, and after just do it like a real time. And I always say, I don't care, we're gonna do it. And the night before the launch, and the night before the public pitch, they work like crazy just to try to fix everything because they know that 90% is going to be some problem. Okay. So we have something here. I'm not sure if this is an estimation right or not. That's you don't know approximately. But what AI should do for you, it's not just in numbers for now. By the way, I think it's not correct. So it happens. AI works like you can estimate 100 apartments, 90 apartments are going to be very accurate, and 10 apartments could be not. So this is a kind of, challenges for AI to go to the next step and next step, just in the quality, in accuracy, etc. But what AI should do for you, it's not just AI, it's explainable AI. It means that it should explain to you why the decision was made like this. And this is something interesting. So we can go here, just analyze some listings on the market for what period of time, exposition days, what was sold, and you can see it in the map and you can see it in the graph, just to see like listings everywhere near the same buildings or the same building if the data existed. So everything now is available. You can, afterwards, you can try your own apartment and say me what is the result afterwards, okay? It was the second feature of the product. Now it's available. It's gonna be on the market publicly after 2-3 months. So after 2-3 months, you're gonna see my face, or maybe a beautiful lady, just highlighting it now, you're gonna download it, blah, blah, blah. Now it's not available on the public market, just in the closed beta. But it works, and works quite good, impressively good. Not all times, but quite good. Let's go to the third feature of the product. You probably wanted secondary market. On a secondary market, it's difficult to find something for investment or something real, even. In some websites, I don't want to say the names. It's a little bit difficult to find something, right? So what we have done, so for now, AI collects all information from different websites, estimates each apartment, and identifies the fakes or duplicates or the wrong advertising. It's not 100% accurate, but it's approximately 90+% accurate. So it's just killing all wrong data just to making decisions and more. I'm going to present you now probably the first time the secondary markets feature. But before, I would like to explain you how it works. So in real, this is just the real estate market of any city, approximately. We have a lot of inventory at a fair price. You see it on the medium side. Fair price, it's inventory that circulates something, someone list, someone buy, every 2 months, it's circulating. The huge amount overvalued, so it's on the market for half a year, years even. And all buyers, all investors, all flippers, different types of investors and buyers, you would like to identify what is undervalued. What is it with discount or below the market price, 15%, 10%, or 5%? And it's more difficult to find something with discount 50% than 5%. It's obvious, right? So we have created the engine, we call it Shiva, like an Indian god with a lot of arms. Indian people could say like it's a god of destroying, etc. But nothing about it, just a lot of arms. Okay. We thought to name it the Gore from Mortal Kombat, but nobody remembered, right? But Shiva, it's just obvious. So Shiva identifies, after the killing fakes, etc., what listings undervalued with a high potential, that this is a real selling listing, and what is undervalued. So for now, let me show you how it works. So this is the secondary market of all Dubai. We have different stars here, like green stars with a small discount and purple stars with discount approximately 15%. So we tested it for like approximately 1,000 people in Russia that we created before this for Russian market. After this, we tested a little bit for UAE market, for the UAE market, and people started to hunting purple stars. So some of them calling this hunting the purple stars. But after this, we closed the access because we understood that if it's so gonna be so popular, it's not gonna be a lot of purple stars. So everyone would like to get access to purple stars, and if the seller just having calls every 10 minutes, he or she just change the price. So it's kind of balance should be played here. What is the purple stars and green stars? So we can go and see something for undervalued price. What AI makes, the same thing but in a different direction. So this is the same product but different direction. So AI thinks that the sales price 1.2 million dirhams, so it's going to be result in 1.28. What is a long-term rental? What is the ROI? And the same approach, it should explain you by highlighting the comparable analysis, DLD data, everything around. This is different between, so we have some transactions from DLD, what time, what price, what building, etc. Just in the close neighborhoods, or if AI doesn't have a data, it takes more and more neighborhoods and just adding data just to compare. Because if you just have one listing in blue waters, you even are going to compare it with something in the whole Dubai. So this is how AI works. All good? Good. So, and this is how many listings and DLD transactions it took just to gives you a result. So it's right here. Yeah, so secondary market is gonna be available, I hope in 2 months. We need to double check all information, and it's gonna be live very, very soon. It's good for investors and good for final buyers. Probably good for Dubai market at all. Yeah, that's how it's gonna be very soon. Let's go to the next feature. Are you tired? It's okay? Can I continue, right? So because I have a little bit more information for you, and sometimes people say that I just pressing too much information and they just, I lost attention. All questions after, please. Yeah, because people online just can't hear your question. So trade up thing. You already saw how estimation works, and it's so simple, 20 seconds and it's done. Trade up is a special thing, and I like it so much because this thing could change the lives of millions, maybe billions, not billions, okay, but hundreds millions of people. The same product, trade up feature. Let's try to ask my apartment. So it's here. No, now we have a building here, better, because I recorded it. So square feet, don't remember, but let's try something like this. 1 bedroom, it's unit, not villa. What is the quality? So I live very poor, so it's like this. And what I would like to have in my life, like, do I like to upgrade? Or you can use it if people just switched apartments from 1 bedroom to 2 bedroom because new child appeared. Or switch between the cities, but this is now personal. Literally personal for you. You use your address, use your parameters, click upgrade. Sometimes you need downsize, right? You need cash. But you can go upgrade and see what's gonna happen. I hope it works, of course. So for now, this feature works in Dubai. After the beta version will be reviewed by experts, by thousands of people, we are going to make it global from, do you remember these people from London? Yeah, so they're going to get it. And they're going to see in 1 minute what you have now, what you could get. Oh, it works. Good. Great. So, what do we have here? We have estimation of apartment, building rating, so it's class C. I would like to say it's class B. I don't want to feel myself poor, but okay. And this is a proposal where I could go. And how I test it, I usually ask, I would like to get cash, and I would like to go from 1 bedroom to 2 bedroom and get cash from, so I don't want to pay extra. I would like to get cash and go to the better, like, bigger apartment. Click apply. So these my options selected. Do you remember about Shiva? It matches the most promising apartments with a better price, with my estimated price. So that's why once you can find the difference of 10% of the market, you could get much more. So my options, like, I could go here. So my building is 2021, this building 2013. I could get 2x space and get 300,000 dirhams different. Or I can move from one neighborhood to another neighborhoods. Or I can move from Moscow to Dubai, and I hope that I knew it before. So I have spent 10 years of my life developing, not 10, okay, 8 years of my life developing AI in Moscow before we moved, because of war, to Dubai. And I just didn't know about Dubai anything. For me, Dubai was like it's tourism, some sand, oil, Burj Khalifa. That's all. And we are here by accident. So first of all, we moved to Saudi Arabia. And one gentleman from Russia, he said, I'm moving to Dubai. Could you please make the same product that you were building in Moscow? I'm going to pay for this. I asked, what amount do you want to pay? He said, okay, $150,000, it's okay. I said, okay, for 10% of the company, for Dubai market. And he paid this amount, so we released first version of the product. And I moved to Dubai, spoke with people, understood that Dubai market is great and the city is great. But before, I didn't knew it. So I bought back his shares after 3 months for $450,000. Yeah, because at that moment I understood that this market is great and the city is great, but I didn't knew it. That's how millions of people, like hundreds of millions of people, just don't know what cities are great for investment, for living, and why. Because all data was covered, and it was just you needed to spend months to just make one decision. And it's going to be just one city. You couldn't analyze all the cities, just you don't have so much time. And asking people about it, realtors, it's not a good approach in most cases, because they have different opinions. Now it's quite objective. And I hope I knew it like 8 years ago, so I just spent my time and my life in the wrong place with the wrong idea. So AI for Moscow at that time was not a good idea. So I have been working on AI 8 years, and 8 years ago nobody believed it exists at all. It's gonna be what happened. Nobody. Now it's obvious.
You're here now.
It's good. It's good. It's by accident, because I'm very grateful. Sorry, I'm very appreciate that the gentleman called me that time. Because of him, so we are here. Thanks. But not because of technology, and technology could fix it. This is my favorite feature about TradeUp. This feature could have impact in millions of people one day. Now it's just day one. We are on GPT-2 version. GPT-3 version is going to be after half a year, maybe a year, and it's going to be much, much better, faster, and more accurate in decision making. What you should know, we're already developing the products for B2B. Same engine, same models, but different approach for different products. So before, you all saw the features of one product. It's just super app that we are building, and now we are going to have products for B2B market. Now I'm going to show you how it works a little bit. So this is a building simulator. You'll be able to pick any plot of land. Just AI will comment you what is the best of use, what is the comparable analysis between plots, what you should build here, what quality of real estate you should build here to have a successful project for development, and what is going to be your P&L analysis based on comparable analysis, forecasting, and what is going to be the set of apartments better set of apartments, what is going to be the best price to sell it in the most liquid price, what is going to be the time, all P&L in time. But it's not going to be just one version. AI makes 10,000s of versions of this and just highlights you top 3. And after you can pick the best from 10,000 approaches. That's how AI works. It just makes much more work and identifies what is going to be the best for P&L. So it just works like it makes a lot of iterations. Let's make this project with all 3 bedrooms, one version, all 1 bedrooms, second version, etc. But 10,000 combination at least. In AI, people call it random forest, like a lot of trees, like appearing. That's gonna be available, I think, in the next 4-5 months. Now we are working on the big project for a big, huge developer and asset holder in Dubai. Once it's gonna be successful, this technology is gonna be spreading across the world very fast. Oh, by the way, now you are able to get all this platform and features and implement in any website in the world for real estate, for development, for any real estate, mortgage, insurance, by spending 2 minutes of your time. We're starting making now special lines of code. You just take the 2 lines of code, give to your developers, or just add yourself, and all technology appears on your website. And now we are going to do soon white labeling. It means that you even can use your logo on all these projects in any city in the world and market it, make marketing, attracting leads, and you're going to receive all the leads from all marketing to your CRM system just directly. And I hope it's going to be for free. But now we are trying to identify what is going to be the business model here. So my my position is that this product should be free, but I have a board of directors and I have a lot of people involved. So sometimes they just say, just keep down, don't launch it now, launch it later, or we should take the subscription. I don't think so. So I think I'm gonna, stand on my position, and all plugins to all websites could be free, and people can take it from like real estate agency. Do you know that real estate agencies, they are just making their maps with projects or something like this? They're spending like hundreds, thousands of dollars just to creating the beautiful website. It's cost now zero. Now it costs zero. So just you can call me and send me the message, get your lines of code, implement it with your logo. That's all. 2 minutes. What I would like you to highlight that now this thing is eating the world. Like we are in 7 cities now making operations, but we're collecting data in 114 cities. It's going to be more at the end of this year. And this year, our focus is for Riyadh, Berlin, Istanbul, Madrid, Barcelona, Jakarta, Bangkok, Bucharest, Vienna, New York, Tokyo, Jeddah, Los Angeles, Dallas, Chicago, London. This is our top priority for this year, just to start operations. Valencia and Valencia. Yeah, Valencia is a good market. We're going to start operations by Realiste this year, but we are now starting operations in different cities in a partnership. So people now coming and just buying license for products, launching it. That's how we launched North Cyprus. I didn't expect that North Cyprus is a wonderful market, but in North Cyprus, the size of the market is $3.5 billion, and commission market is $500 million in North Cyprus. Everybody knew this? me either. But realtors from North Cyprus came, bought the license, and now we are building the joint venture company in North Cyprus. And so they already collected like 60 developers on the map and starting transactions. That's how we are doing in different cities. So for now, any free city, you can pick it and make business with us. It's already not for free, but still it's affordable, and it's much better just to start a real estate agency or just to build a small hotel. So do you remember I highlighted to you this thing about prediction, right? On the beginning of the presentation. Guys, are you tired? So I'm on the final stage, right? Thanks. Sorry, I see your faces and I see how you're going down. So sorry, I really like this job.
As long as you can answer all the questions.
Yeah, we could speak afterwards. So, and I can answer all your questions. I'm gonna be here. No worries. So once we're appearing in some cities, the local media is just publishing it, and it's become more popular. It's not like a global approach, but any city we launched, we are getting a lot of attention from local media because it's something new, something important, and that's why how we become popular day 1, day 2, day 3, just step on step. And why I just decided to show it to you. It just launched today. Do you guys use DXB Interact in Dubai? Yeah, you use, right? Good. Property Monitor, got it. Let me convince you for now that you're gonna forget about all these products tomorrow. Let's try. So for now, this launched today publicly on free access. Total volume of the market, that's one feature, right, that you can find on these products. This is a residential market, just residential, and forecasting. What we should expect this year, and I could say you guys that this year is going to be the best year in the history of Dubai ever. It's not 2023, it's going to be 2024. What you could do here, forecasting what is a low season, high season, etc., but a little bit more. You can see transactions, of course, etc. And this is a clear data. So literally very clear data, because in some products I just mentioned, you could find like the apartment sold for 100,000 dirhams, like 3-bedroom. And a lot of small things like this. And you couldn't see like exact neighborhood. You could try it like Maidan. But Maidan is a huge, big plot of neighborhoods. So in Maidan, there are 6 neighborhoods. But in everywhere you could find just a Maidan. Here you can see it by neighborhoods, what exact pricing. This is a price for average meter in Dubai. And it's not on flat or something. It's quite volatile for each month. And forecasting for the price also. It's public now. And what I would like you to show, previously you couldn't ask any system, could you please show me what is the trend for only for luxury real estate, right? It was all in one. But now you pick the building class A, A plus, A minus, this is a luxury. Click apply. This is only for luxury. You could go to sales volume. Building class A minus. This is a sales volume only for luxury and forecasting. You can go and ask only for one-bedroom apartments and luxury. Let's try. I'm not sure it could work. It's only for one-bedroom apartment for luxury. So you can work with the system or with the segments, for specific neighborhoods, for whole city, all transactions with the forecasting of price, forecasting of volume, everything with forecasting. This is the first thing. Sales of amount of sales, everything. So it's all here. What else? For what you use these products? For finding transactions, right? Now you can go click show me my building and see all transactions for one building right here. Rent, renew contract, sales, everything with dates, and it's updating from DLD every hour for now. This is the most accurate information and the most fast delivering information, like literally what's happening now. And also we have DLD, and do you remember I spoke about the bookings? It's also now available. So DLD DT1, it's not a new development, so that's why no bookings. But you're able to see bookings for specific buildings. We do not give you opportunity to extract this data, but for your personal use, it's now available free. You can take it. So for what else you use DXB Interact or Property Monitor? I hope that's all. For us, it took 1 week to done it. So it's using AI now, it's very fast to develop something. And we're developing so fast because of you, because of your feedback and what you say to us, what you need. Just for example, one gentleman asked me a few months ago on our event, like open door event. He said, it's so wonderful, so many data, but could you please give me the direction, what neighborhoods I should buy and what not, like green, yellow, red. We have done it for him. Like this is a bubble index, where you could expect a bubble, and if something wrong, the pricing will go down. Where is not literally the pricing are going up, and where is like, it's going to be the reaction of the market like average. So yellow, average, green, not bubble, right, bubble. There is a risk of downturn if something appeared. So please give us what you tell us what you want, and it's going to be developed maybe in 1 week or several days. For some people who deliver me feedback and some ideas what they would like to see, I'm giving the shares of the company. So I delivered shares for $300,000 to people already. So like for users, for clients, etc. So I'm open for any feedback you would like to present me. What I should fix, what process of buying I should fix, what feature we should add, what is wrong data, any kind of feedback. If it's valuable, I'm issue the shares. This is my approach, how we work here. So for now, I think this is a quite good product with quite good features across the UAE, and probably I haven't seen something better. If you have something, you could send me the link, and I would like to see what is better. First of all, this is my contacts, personal contacts. Just scan it and send me the message in Telegram or WhatsApp. Do you see WhatsApp? And write me what you would like to see, what we should do, or how we can help your business on what you do and what we can do for you. In most cases, we can do it for free. If you are not a huge developer and saying us, just give me AI for everything. In that case, we are going to charge you. But if you have personal use, your agency, you would like to selling across the world, you don't want to build your website, You can take the system, put your logo and work with this. And receiving all the leads, and it's gonna be for free. Not for forever. I think someday we should get some money. Our developers should eat something. But for now, they're okay. For the next 2 weeks. For the next 2 weeks, they're okay. They ate here. Yeah, so any feedback, what you would like to say us and what we can do for you, just write me directly. On the Monday, I'm going to just sit and just answer and give you the links and everything what you need, or connecting with people in our team or maybe across different teams that we're already working with.
A quick question. All the areas that you mentioned, the blue bubbles and all that, does it include the lands also? Lands.
And so the question, yeah, let us answer all the question a little bit later. Yeah, so the question was about the land. No, it doesn't include the land, but we are working on this. I haven't presented it today, but we are working on the land. It's gonna be soon, but not too soon. That's why I didn't mention it. It was all for online session. Now we are gonna go to closed session. For now, thank you for online visiting us, and I hope you wrote my contacts or used the QR code. So just please write me, and let's see what we can do for you or what we can give you. In most cases, it's going to be for free. Yeah, so for online audience, that's okay. If you would like to see what was in a closed session, write me also. I'm going to ask who are you, what you do, and if it's going to be the match, we're going to send you the last portion of this information. So it's all for online. Close the translation.